Hey everyone, and welcome back to successvault. Is there really such a thing as free money? Well, it depends on what you consider free. Money is almost always an exchange for value, but over the past few years, we've discovered a bunch of ways to make extra money with very little effort. We call it almost free money. Today we're going to be talking about the top 5 ways to make free money. Make sure you stay until number 1, as you don't want to miss a great way to earn tons of cash each month for free. Number 5. Start a free online merch store. Did you know that you can start an online merch store without even being artistic? Yep, it's totally possible, but how can you do it? Well, there are a couple of ways. Let's look at one website, CafePress. CafePress allows users to create merchandise to sell for a profit. The best part is that it is completely free to do. CafePress takes all the hard work out of online selling. Normally, you would need to buy a domain and then set up an e-commerce software and advertise your site. But with CafePress, all of that is already built in, and it's a pre-existing website, so people will already come to the site to buy merchandise, and anyone can use it to sell custom merchandise. CafePress is highly successful, selling tens of millions of dollars worth of custom merch. Their best sellers are t-shirts, but you can also customize hoodies, mugs, wall art, and many more. So how does it work? Do you need to learn how to print t-shirts? Nope. First you need to sign up for a free CafePress account. Then you can upload your designs of the things that you'd like to sell. You can choose from which products you'd like your designs to go on. There's hundreds to choose from. Once you create your product, CafePress automatically creates a listing to go into their marketplace. Now, how will you ship to a customer that orders your product? The great thing is that you don't even need to worry about that. Once someone orders from your page, CafePress will take care of the making and printing the designs and shipping. All you've got to do is sit and watch the money come in. This type of service is known as print on demand. On CafePress, you will never need to spend any money. You can just set your own price, so you're always in control of how much you earn. Do know that CafePress will remove some fees for product creation, but that amount usually isn't that high. If you're worried that you aren't artistic enough to design your own t-shirts, worry not. Just focus on a text-based design. Think of a quote and find a nice font and layout. It's super simple. There are other websites out there similar to CafePress if you'd like to use multiple services. Redbubble is one of them, and it works in nearly the same way as CafePress. Number 4. Create and sell your own video course. You might think that very few people actually pay for online courses when there is so much free information out there on the internet, but as it turns out, millions of people are actually willing to pay. In fact, despite all the free information available on sites like YouTube and Google, the global online education market is actually growing. So, by the year 2025, it is expected to grow to be a $300 billion industry. How can you get in on this? Well, thanks to the website Teachable, it is possible, simple, and free. The website is marketed towards selling courses to users, so the feature to make your own course and sell it is hidden from plain sight. So actually, you're going to need to dig for it a bit. To do this, go to the pricing page. There you will see the subscription fees they trick you into thinking you need. If you go right down and read the small text at the bottom of the page, they actually offer a free teaching plan. Just sign up for that and you'll be ready to go. You can approach this in a similar way to approaching a YouTube tutorial. Go to Adobe's website and download a free 7-day trial for one of their softwares. Then, in that period, make as many tutorials as possible. Record your screen with OBS Studio and edit in OpenShot or iMovie. Record voiceovers with your phone's built-in microphone and make the video presentation look nice and professional so people will want to buy your course. Additionally, instead of having only a 7-day trial period to make all of these tutorials, you can create unique courses for free programs too. iMovie and DaVinci Resolve are both great free editing softwares that people love learning about. Figure out how to use them and then teach what you learned. You'll be earning in no time. Number 3. Make money from Instagram Shoutouts. Making money from Instagram Shoutouts is a simple and fun way to make money online. The first thing you're going to need to do is make an Instagram account. That bit's absolutely free and it's easy to start. For this method, you will have to have the swipe up feature activated for your Instagram stories, and for that you're going to need at least 10,000 followers. Here's how you can get to that number. You can add hashtags to your photos so people will see your account and be more likely to follow. Then keep posting often so your pictures can end up on people's explore page. You can also follow a lot of accounts so you've got the chance to get followed back. YouTube is filled with tutorials on how to grow your Instagram follower account, so check those out as well. Once you reach that point, check out the website Shoutcart. This is a website that allows businesses to buy Instagram shoutouts. All you're going to need to do is advertise the business on your story and use the swipe up feature to link to the business site. Depending on how many followers you have, you can get $100 to $500 per shoutout. build your Instagram, and try it out. Number 2, create your own Fiverr gig. Fiverr is a great tool of a website. On Fiverr, you can sign up either as a buyer or as a seller. Sellers are freelancers that offer gigs for all kinds of things. Gigs range from simple things like video greetings and can get complex like offering legal advice. The possibilities are nearly endless and you're bound to find a category you fit into. To start, set up your free account. It's simple, just fill in some information and make your page look reputable and legit. Pick a profile photo that looks professional and then figure out what you'd like to do on Fiverr. Maybe you're good at graphic design. You can make logos. Or maybe your voice is amazing. You can make a singing gig. But whatever it is that you choose to do, make sure you're willing to work hard and get it done professionally and on time. Once you figure out what you want to do, then make your gig. You can have multiple gigs going at once, so you can utilize a myriad of different skill sets. When making your gig, you have to write a description, set prices, add photos, audio, or videos, and then set requirements. For your description, really sell your gig. Why do people want to buy from you? What makes you stand out? What will you offer? Answer these questions and describe the gig in full detail. Then set your prices. You can have either one flat rate or you can have a tiered pricing plan. Think of how long you'll be working and set your hourly rate. Fill in details like how many days it will take you to complete the gig. Next, you're going to want to add pictures, audio, or videos of what you will do. If you're a video editor, then you will need to add a reel that showcases your abilities. If you're a voice actor, then you're also going to need to add some audio clips of your voice. Make this look nice because the first impression customers will have of you is the most important one. Then edit the requirements. What will people need to provide to you in order to get the job done? If you write scripts, maybe you need a plot summary. If you write music, maybe you need a genre. Think of your requirements, then save your gig and put it out there. One order leads to the next, and you'll be earning anywhere from $50 a month to thousands. Advertise your gigs to earn even more. Number 1. Create YouTube tutorials. YouTube is a great site for many reasons. One of those reasons is that it can make you a lot of money in a month. You can earn thousands of dollars just with ads alone. This requires you to make an AdSense account and you'll need 1,000 subscribers and 4,000 valid public watch hours. This may take a while, so let's look into ways to make money off of YouTube immediately. SiteGround is a hosting website that can host WordPress websites, small and medium websites, and more. With this site, they offer an affiliate program too. That means you can get paid to advertise their service. It is simple and free. Just go to their website and they'll give you a link. Then, you can add that link to one of your YouTube tutorial videos. The more views you get, the better chances you have. Make sure people know that the link is there in the description, so you have to tell them, and then they'll click on it. Advertise their service too to really sell the deal. Then, once someone clicks on the link and buys SiteGround's service, you get a commission. You can easily earn hundreds of dollars passively through this. Another great affiliate program is run by Adobe. If you link to their site, anytime someone buys a program through your link, you will get an 85% commission from their first month of subscription fees. So, what is the best way to approach this? Well, a great way to make money from Adobe's affiliate program is to find YouTube tutorials for Adobe products like Premiere Pro, Photoshop, etc. Then, copy these tutorials, but try to make them your own as much as possible. Make sure you get lots of views. Then, add the affiliate links in the description and lead your viewers there. It's that simple. Download Adobe free trials and use those 7 days to film as many different kinds of tutorials as you can. To really help with the creation of your videos, find a screen recording application like OBS Studio. Then use a free editing software like OpenShot to edit the videos together. Thanks for watching. While you're here, go ahead and click on one of these 2 videos on your screen. See you there!